Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Science for You. Today, we will learn how to make a self-balancing robot. The robot balances on its own on two wheels and prevents itself from falling down. In this project, we are using only cheap, BO toy-geared motors, which is easily available. This is in fact a challenging project to make right in the first attempt. So, I will explain what are the precautions you have to take for the project to work nicely. Also, I am giving a very simple code for this self-balancing robot. I will also explain about the settings that we have to change in the code for making this project work. So, if you like my projects, please subscribe to my channel. You can also ask any doubts regarding the project in the comment section, which I will clarify immediately. Now let us learn how to make the self-balancing robot. For making this project, first I 3D printed the required parts. Next step was to glue all the parts together to make the frame. Next, we have to attach the gear motors on both sides as shown. I used M3 bolts and nuts to attach the motors to the frame. Connect wheels to both motors. Glue the battery pack in the lower compartment. This is also a very important thing to note. Try to fix the battery at the lowermost point to lower the center of gravity and thus make the balancing robot more stable. Next, take the L29810 motor driver board and connect the motors. Connect the positive wire from the battery pack to 12-volt pin of motor driver board and negative wire from battery to ground pin of motor driver board. Connect the jumper wire also along with it so that it can be further used for powering the Arduino. Glue the motor driver board in place in the second compartment. Take the Arduino Uno and fix that also near the motor driver board. Connect the extension jumper wires from the 12-volt and ground pins of motor driver board to VIN and ground pins of Arduino for powering it. Take 4 jumper wires and connect the IN1, IN2, IN3 and IN4 pins of motor driver board to pin number 7, 6, 5 and 4 of Arduino. Take another 2 jumper wires and connect the ENA and DNB pins of motor driver board to pin numbers 11 and 10 of Arduino. Now, take the MPU 6050 sensor and connect the VCC pin to 5-volt pin of Arduino, ground pin of sensor to ground pin of Arduino, SDA pin of sensor to analog input 4 of Arduino and SCL pin of sensor to analog input pin 5 of Arduino. I took a small piece of wood and glued to the MPU 6050 sensor and then glued the sensor to the bottom of the top plate to make it perfectly horizontal. Try to glue the MPU 6050 sensor almost at the middle of the top plate and also nicely aligned and parallel to the plate. Now, we also have to connect the interrupt pin of MPU 6050 sensor to pin number 2 of Arduino. The connections are all complete. Next step is to install libraries for the code to work. Copy the 4 folders to the libraries folder of Arduino. These folders can be downloaded from the link given in the description. Now open the code in the Arduino IDE software. In the code we will have to change some important parameters for the balancing robot to work properly. First, we have to change the original set point angle. This is the angle at which the balancing robot is exactly vertical and balances perfectly. You will have to definitely change this value suiting to your robot. You can try changing the angle several times and upload a code to see if it is balancing in the vertical condition only. The next settings are the constants for PID control. Varying these numbers changes the sensitivity of the movement of the motors for balancing. I did not change these values. You can slightly change these values and try if it is improving the balancing of the robot. Next settings that you have to change are the motor speed factors. Changing these values will make the motors slower or faster for balancing the robot. If you find that the motors are moving very fast for balancing, you can try reducing this value another way also. Then lastly, in this section, you have to give the correct pin numbers in Arduino to which the motor driver board enable and input pins are connected. Those are the only settings we have to change in the code. Now you can connect the robot to laptop or PC and upload the code. The link to download the code is given in the description. After uploading the code, just switch on the battery and keep it gently in the vertical orientation. You can see that it is balancing itself and preventing from falling down. I tried balancing different objects with the robot and it is working nicely. It is working extremely well. It is very stable and balancing itself for a long time without falling down. Hope you all like this video. Please subscribe to watch more interesting projects in future. Thank you.